Hello, this is the second part of Lesson 5.5, Properties of Logarithms. We're going to focus this time on the change of base formula. The change of base formula exists to help you evaluate a logarithm without the use of Desmos or a special calculator. On your normal scientific calculator, you cannot type in anything other than a common log or a natural log. So what a change of base formula will do for you is it will allow you to rearrange the base and what it's taking the log of into something that you can take the log of on a regular calculator. Even your cell phone calculator will allow you to take a logarithm base anything. So you've noticed I've actually highlighted the base C and you're taking log base C of A. So A is in blue. So what you can do is you can either write it as a common log or you can write it as a natural log. But the rule is that whatever you're taking the log of goes in the numerator and that base of the logarithm goes in the denominator. So you can split this logarithm into two logarithms with A on the top and C on the bottom. And notice how you can do this little trick with a common logarithm or you can do this trick with a natural log. Same thing. So base C goes here, of A, oops, it's supposed to be blue, of A goes in the top like that. So let's just do a few examples. It's very, very quick and easy. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight this base 3 of 8, and we are going to write it using a common logarithm this time. So log base 3 of 8, that's going to be equal to the log divided by another log, but we need to make sure that we put them in the right spot. So base 3 needs to go in the denominator, and this 8 needs to go in the top. Now you can go ahead and type it in your calculator and evaluate. Just type in a fraction and then log of 8 divided by log of 3, and you're going to be able to do it. Let's go ahead and set this one up using a natural log. Even though it starts with log base 6 of 24, you can very easily use a natural log, but you just have to make sure that you put the base in the correct spot and the 24 in the top. So all you have to do on your calculator is type in the natural log of 24 divided by the natural log of 6. That will evaluate it for you without having to type it in this way. Now, I just want to reiterate that you can use LOG for these as well. It doesn't matter if you use a common log or a natural log. The reason why I'm doing a natural log in this one is because it asked me to. So here's what I need you to do. I need you to look at these two examples. I want you to pause the video. I want you to write them out using the change of base formula and see if you get what I get. Just make sure you pay attention to whether it says common or natural log. Okay, so for this first one, it says evaluate using common logarithms. So I'm going to put 7 here in the bottom. I'm going to put 11 in the top. And this is what I'm going to use to type into my calculator. And on the second one, it says use a natural log. So I'm using ln on my calculator. So that would be log of 19 divided by the natural log of 2. And that is the change of base formula. Just remember, a common mistake is for you to go in order. They'll want to put log of 2 on the top and then log of 19 on the bottom. Just make sure you put the base in the denominator and the of on the top, and you are good to go. Just let me know if you have any questions.